Hey everyone, you're sipping a latte, scrolling through your phone, and bam! You get a notification saying your Acorns account has grown by $100. Sounds pretty good, right? But is it really possible to make significant money with Acorns? And if so, how much can you expect? That's what we're going to find out today. What is Acorns? For those who are new to Acorns, it's a micro-investing app that makes it super easy to start investing, even with small amounts of money. How does it work? You link your debit or credit card to your Acorns account. Every time you make a purchase, Acorns rounds up the difference to the nearest dollar and invests that spare change. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorns will invest the remaining 75 cents. It's like saving change, but instead of collecting coins in a jar, you're investing them in stocks, bonds, and other assets. How much can you make? Now, the big question, how much money can you actually make with Acorns? The answer is, it depends. A lot of factors come into play, including how much you invest. The more you invest, the more you can potentially earn. How long you invest. The longer you stay invested, the more time your money has to grow. Market performance. The performance of the stock market will significantly impact your returns. Acorns investment strategy. Acorns uses a diversified investment strategy, which can help mitigate risk but also limit potential returns. Case study, Acorns success stories. Let's take a look at a few real-life examples of people who have had success with Acorns. John, a 25-year-old software engineer. John started using Acorns when he was 22. He invests $100 per month. After 3 years, his account is worth over $5,000. Maria, a 35-year-old teacher. Maria has been using Acorns for 5 years. She invests $5 per month. Her account is now worth over $8,000. David, a 45-year-old small business owner. David started using Acorns a year ago. He invests $200 per month. His account is already worth over $3,000. These are just a few examples, and individual results may vary. Tips for maximizing your Acorns earnings. If you want to maximize your earnings with Acorns, here are a few tips. Invest as much as you can. The more you invest, the faster your money will grow. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to see significant returns overnight. Diversify your investments. Acorns already uses a diversified investment strategy, but you can also consider investing in other assets, such as real estate or cryptocurrencies. Take advantage of Acorns features. Acorns offers a variety of features, such as automatic investing, goal setting, and tax loss harvesting. Review your portfolio regularly. It's important to review your portfolio regularly to ensure that it's still aligned with your financial goals. Is Acorns right for you? Acorns is a great way to start investing, especially if you're new to the concept. It's easy to use, and it requires minimal effort. However, it's important to remember that investing involves risk. There's no guarantee that you'll make a profit. Before you start using Acorns, it's a good idea to do your research and understand the risks involved. Conclusion. So, how much money can you make with Acorns? The answer is, it depends. But with consistent investing and a little bit of patience, you can potentially build a significant nest egg. If you're looking for a simple and easy way to start investing, Acorns is definitely worth considering. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.